Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's January 18th, and I'm going to do this to a precursor for this video clip. I had shot it about a little over a week ago, and I was going to add something to it, but I'm going to go ahead and put it out because it's pertinent right now. And if you want to see more of these, just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it, and share it. Happy gardening. One thing to think about are seed potatoes. Now these are some of my blue potatoes, and as you can see, some have started going to seed already. I mean, forming their eyes, or chitting, as you might say. Some are still, they're getting there, but not quite. But these were out in the shop where it's a little cooler. And I have my seed potatoes here that they're chitting, but they're not quite where it is now. Being that this is January 10th, and we normally put these out on the 15th of February, so we've got a little over a month. But I brought them inside too. I'm just going to stick them in the storeroom where they don't get much light, and they can get plenty of air. I've got a couple varieties here, and I've got to go round up a couple more milk crates for my other variety, and I'll just bring it in and stack it up. Milk crates work good for these because they can breathe. You know, they can breathe in the bag, but if they start chitting real heavy and they're in a bag, it tends to maybe go through the side or different things that get broke up whenever you're moving them. Now I've got a 50-pound bag, so when you start moving it around, you'll break a lot of the eyes off. So I like this method better because when they start chitting and I start getting ready to use them, they're just there, and I have a solid side, so I don't have to worry about it pushing on the eyes and breaking the eyes off. But anyway, the warmth, now a lot of people put them in the place where they get some sunlight and stuff, but most of you know potatoes, if they're in that environment where it's a little bit warm, they just start forming eyes. They don't have, they'll be under counter in the dark or wherever, they'll start forming eyes. So anyway, we got to get these ready because like I say, we're just about a month off from planting them.